Welcome to Like Health. Today, we dive into the world of protein with the top 5 sources that are essential for both muscle gain and weight loss. Whether you're hitting the gym or looking to shed those extra pounds, these powerful protein sources are your secret weapons. Let's discover the top 5 sources of protein on Earth that will help you gain muscle and lose weight. In 5th place is lentils. Lentils are a powerful vegetable source. Lentils are not only rich in protein, but also high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full for longer, supporting your weight loss goals. Lentils, which are full of essential nutrients such as iron, folate, and potassium, promote overall health and vitality. The low glycemic index of lentils makes them an ideal choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels, making them suitable for diabetics or anyone seeking sustained energy throughout the day. From delicious lentil soup to protein-packed salads, the culinary possibilities with lentils are endless. You can rely on lentils as your main source of protein and support your fitness goals. In 4th place are eggs. Eggs are a powerful food source, providing high-quality protein along with essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, and choline. Did you know that the protein in eggs is considered the gold standard as it contains all the essential amino acids our bodies need? Not only that, but eggs also contain healthy fats and antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are good for eye health. Whether you enjoy scrambled or poached eggs or as part of a delicious omelet, it's a delicious and convenient way to increase your protein intake. Plus, it's incredibly affordable, making it accessible to all. You can rely on eggs as an excellent source of protein to support your fitness goals. In 3rd place is meat. Meat is an essential source of nutrition for many. Meat offers a rich and diverse set of proteins that are essential for muscle growth and repair. Did you know that meat is a complete protein source and contains all the essential amino acids our bodies need? Whether you prefer poultry, beef, pork, or lamb, each type of meat offers a unique blend of nutrients. Lean cuts of meat are low in fat and high in protein, making them a popular choice for fitness enthusiasts. At the same time, red meat such as beef provides essential nutrients such as iron and vitamin B12, which is essential for energy metabolism and red blood cell production. Incorporating a variety of meats into your diet can help ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients to support your health and fitness goals and fitness journey. In 2nd place is tuna. Tuna is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious, rich in high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins and minerals. As a low-fat source of protein, tuna provides all the essential amino acids our bodies need for muscle growth and repair. In addition, the omega-3 fatty acids found in tuna have been shown to support heart health, reduce inflammation, and even improve cognitive function. Whether you enjoy it fresh, canned, or in sushi rolls, tuna offers a convenient and versatile way to increase your protein intake. Plus, it's low in calories and fat, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight or improve their overall health. You can eat tuna to support your fitness goals. Now we get to the most powerful source of protein, which leads the 1st place in protein: chicken breasts. Chicken breasts are known for their lean protein content, making them a favorite among fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals. Packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients such as vitamins B6 and B12, chicken breasts provide the building blocks your body needs for muscle growth and repair. Plus, it's incredibly versatile, allowing for a wide range of cooking methods and flavor combinations. Whether grilled, baked, or added to salads and fries, chicken breasts offer a delicious and convenient way to meet your protein needs. Plus, it's low in fat and calories, making it an ideal choice for those who aim to maintain a healthy weight or improve their overall health. You can eat chicken breasts to support your fitness goals. We welcome all new subscribers to the channel.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Like channel to receive all new news.